Located in Gebis on a highly strategic site with an area covering 12.8 hectares, the Société Chimique ALKIMIA, with a production capacity of 140,000 tons per year, is one of the major players in sodium tripolyphosphate production obtained by the neutralization of the phosphoric acid by sodium carbonate. This product is used mainly in the production of powder detergents and to a lesser degree in the industry of ceramics. The manufacture of STPP goes through several steps. The first one is the production of softened water, distilled water using the technique of reverse osmosis, steam, and compressed air. The production process itself begins with the clarification of the phosphoric acid to eliminate the main part of organic materials. This operation is followed by a sludge washing step to retrieve the phosphoric acid soluble in water. The sludge is stored in appropriate areas. The clarified phosphoric acid is then neutralized by the sodium carbonate to form the monodidiluted sodium phosphate. This operation is commissioned from beginning to end by a computer system. This step is followed by a filtration to eliminate the metal salts precipitated in the neutralization step. The concentration of a diluted and filtered monodisodium phosphate step is also managed by an industrial computing system. This concentration is carried out in 4 units, 3 with a double effect and 1 with a triple effect. Another step of filtration shows the elimination of the metallic precipitates formed during the concentration. At the sludge pre-washing step, the maximum of phosphoric acid and sodium hydroxide soluble in water is recovered. The sludge obtained is diluted with washing water and then pumped to be filtered. The water recovered is used for the pre-washing of the sludge. And the final sludge is discarded. The concentrated and filtered monodye is pumped onto the dry section where it is first dried in order to obtain the dry monodye. This operation is followed by a calcination to obtain the final product, which is the sodium tripolyphosphate. The dry section is composed of 3 units of production, the Unit 600 and the Unit 1500, having both a nominal capacity of 52,000 tons per year each, and the Unit 1000, which has a capacity of 36,000 tons per year. Finally, after having been cooled, the product is transported to the storage silos. This process allows the production of mainly dense STPP and also granular STPP. A part of the white granular STPP is sent to the coloration unit to produce STPP with several colors. Products with softening properties to prevent the deposit of calcium salts and magnesium on the cleaning tissues. In addition, the sodium tripolyphosphate allows the neutralization of the pH variation due to the introduction of dirt. By the same token, it keeps the washing baths at the optimum pH level. Moreover, being alkaline, the washing solutions with sodium tripolyphosphate contributes to the chemical attack of dirt. Concerning the bagging, it is done according to the standards with appropriate packaging, allowing a total protection of the products against any external aggression. The procedure in place provides the systematic control of the packaging weight with highly sensitive balances. To meet all the quality requirements, ALKIMIA is equipped with a fully compliant laboratory. Several tests are carried out, such as the analysis of the rate of hydration. The phosphate content is also a subject of all the attention. All products are analyzed in terms of particle size. The degree of whiteness is checked by a suitable calorimeter. The impurities are also analyzed through a spectrometer fitted with a plasma torch, which detect all the components of each element by the light that is emitted during its combustion. The molar ratio analysis shows the measurement of the proportions of each product component. Given that plant of ALKIMIA is located near the port, the export is done in the best conditions and in due time. At the commercial level, ALKIMIA deals with local detergent companies as well as with multinationals such as Procter & Gamble, Unilever, and Henkel, which hold a large share of the world market for detergents. ALKIMIA operates in about 30 countries in North Africa, Middle East, Europe, Asia, and Latin America. The strategy of expanding and diversification has been implemented through the acquisition of a majority in the capital of an Algerian company, Kimia in Annaba, and the creation of ALKIMIA Packaging, a company for the packaging of sodium carbonate for export in North and West Africa, and mainly to supply the parent company through pneumatic transportation. ALKIMIA raises the employees' awareness to security instructions by various visual media. Manage hazardous products in a protected area, and has important fire detection and firefighting equipment, including an independent station for water pumping. The good washing of gases allows the rejection in the ambient air of a pollution-free steam. In addition, the phosphate sludge generated by the production process is exported as a fertilizer product. Furthermore, ALKIMIA proceeds systematically to the collection of oils, filters, and used batteries. At the social level, ALKIMIA has contributed to the maintenance of some primary schools in the region and to the acquisition of medical equipment for the regional hospital, and has created a full unit for the cancer screening of breast and uterus. ALKIMIA has also contributed to the improvement of the city through the renovation of a public garden. The employees' development is encouraged by the establishment of regular innovation workshops and the organization of cultural and sports activities. A long-term strategy which enabled ALKIMIA to obtain the ISO 9001 certification in 1998, the ISO 14001 certification in 2000, and the OHSAS 18001 certification in 2008.